In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Steam Webhelper is not responding or working. So there's actually a nice and easy solution, and that's to head over to your Start menu and just search for Task Manager, and then click on the Task Manager window. From the search box at the top, just type in Steam, and all you need to do is right-click on the Steam client Webhelper and select End Task. Once you've done this, you'll need to right-click on Steam and also select End Task, and then we can close out of the Task Manager window. Then you'll need to head over to your Start menu and search for Steam. Right-click on the Steam application and select Open File Location. Then you'll need to right-click on Steam again and select Open File Location. Now from here, scroll down until you see the Steam.exe application file, and you need to right-click on this, click on Properties, and select Compatibility. From here, make sure you have Run this program as administrator ticked, and then press Apply and OK, and then you can try loading up the Steam application and checking if that's now fixed your issue. If that's still not working, the last thing you can try doing is scrolling all the way to the top of this folder and double-clicking on Bin. Then double-click on the CEF folder and double-click on CEF Win7x64. Then we're going to scroll down to the bottom until you see the Steam Webhelper.exe, and you just need to right-click on this, select the trash icon to delete it, head over to the recycle bin and make sure to empty out your recycle bin. And then once again, you can try launching up Steam, and that should have now solved your issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.